I'm Craig Simpson with Jim Houston.
Welcome to what is looking like an exciting exhibition game. Letang takes possession of the puck. Sheary shoves Jordan Stahl. Centered, played up. Carolina dumps the puck in. Behind his net. Sheary, he takes possession of the puck.
On two.
Hanifi.
On two, you're out.
Into the attacking zone. Kessel. Out over the blue line. Moved ahead. Evgeny Malkin. Offside. Cullen wins the draw. Centered. Ward freezes the puck. The face-off goes to the Penguins. Shoots it quickly. Blocked. Murphy gets thrashed. Malkin with the puck. Nestrashin gets pushed. He has his pocket picked. Out of their defensive end. Kunitz scoops up the loose puck. Nordstrom gets checked. Quick pass up. Murphy finds the loose puck. Daly. Carolina has it. Pesci brings it out. Offside, Pittsburgh. Sheary gets hold of the puck. Kessel gets checked. That did the trick. Teravainen now has the puck. Wrist shot, leg save.
This man is the complete package.
Slevin gets checked. He scoops up the loose puck. Rask pushes Crosby. Slevin gets the loose puck. And out they come with a puck. Passed ahead. Into the attacking zone. Advances the puck. Rask shoots. He scores!
Goals like that are very intimidating. They make you realize what kind of talent you're up against. He really rifled that one-timer home.
They say a quick release is more important than accuracy at the NHL level. The goalies won't argue with that one. Delayed penalty coming up for Pittsburgh.
Number 7, Matt Cullen, and by number 6,
Skinner with the puck.
Hagelin.
Aho. Hanikin takes it. Wrist shot on the left. Murray stoned him cold. Hornqvist will go to the box for hooking.
2 minutes is a long time when you're the one in the box. The referee makes the call, it's hooking. And that means 2 minutes in the box.
Stahl won the faceoff. Fires it. Daly stops the shot. Stahl checks him. Moved ahead. Along the boards. Hanikin takes control of the puck. Sidney Crosby runs over Stempniak. With a wrist shot, Murray turns him away. Aho gets the loose puck. Over the line. Slavin, wrist shot. Murray denied him. Played across. Rask pitchforks Kunitz. Strike jumps on the loose puck. One times it. Pesci got it. With a wrist shot, Murray turns him away.
What a save off the blocker.
Malkin with the puck. Aho hits him. Murray stoned him. Hanifi. Crosby pushes him.
Took a piece out of him there.
Hornqvist heads back onto the ice and is looking to do some damage.
Well, he might feel that the penalty wasn't merited, but I've got some advice. Playing a great game is the best revenge.
Stempniak takes control of the puck. Carolina puts its checking line out. Pittsburgh dumps the puck in. Pittsburgh picks it up. Skinner. Over the blue line. Nordstrom shot quickly. Murray stabbed at it. Across, moved ahead. The Penguins dump the puck in. Carolina grabbed it. Pesci gets checked. He grabs the puck. Nestrashil now has it. Sheary gets the pass from Murray. Crosby in over the line. Quick Kessel scores!
There's nothing as lethal as a quick and accurate wrist shot.
The goalie will be seeing that one in his nightmares. The first period's not been kind to this squad.
So far they haven't been able to find a rhythm. You can see the results.
Hagelin takes possession of the puck.
Sidney Crosby and by number 58.
Teravainen gets shoved. Carolina dumps the puck in. Pittsburgh scoops it up. Goes behind his net. Passed ahead. Rast dumps the puck in. Carolina takes possession. Stempniak.
The end of the first period is always interesting. This is when both teams will make adjustments to try to gain an edge in the second.
Welcome back, everybody.
Well, Jim, if the second period is anything like the first, we should see a lot more scoring.
Passed across. Quick pass up. Moved up. Into the attacking zone. In the corner. Moved back. Murray denies him. Moved ahead. Along the boards. Pass back. Pesci picks up the puck from Ward. Ryan. Over the blue line. In all alone. Moved up. Out over the blue line. Rink wide pass. Schultz. Wrist shot. Slavin with the puck. Out of their defensive end. Advances the puck. Played up. Fired it. Teravainen jumps on the loose puck. Shoots quickly. Pittsburgh scooped it up. Brings it out. Rask finds the loose puck. Brings it out. Moved across. Stempniak dumps the puck in. Pittsburgh with it now. Letang grabs it. Skinner got it. Kessel intercepts the pass. Jordan Stahl gets hold of the puck. Skinner grabbed by Carolina. Brings it in. Stempniak with a wrist shot. Skinner takes control of the puck. Stahl fires it. Carolina picked it up. And out they come with the puck. Through the neutral zone. Played back. Hornqvist blistering shot. Funk with the puck. Skinner steals the pass. The Hurricanes dump the puck in. Skinner scooped it up.
They come together and it's a good hit.
Advances the puck. Played up. Leg save.
A successful deflection there. It looks like this guy's been practicing.
Ahead to the neutral zone. Quick pass up. DiGiuseppe jumps on the loose puck. Murray stoned him cold. Cole knocked him off the puck. Pittsburgh jumps on it. Kunakol gets rocked. Pass back. Teravainen gets checked. He takes possession of the puck. Into the attacking zone. And DiGiuseppe takes control of the puck. Pesci jumped off by Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh touches up for icing. The ref is ready to drop the puck. The face-off goes to Pittsburgh. Pesci with the puck. Sidney Crosby. Delayed call against Carolina.
Oh, good call by the official that time.
You're not going to get away with that kind of play in this game. Carolina drew the penalty and will have to play shorthanded.
That means playing smart positional hockey on offense and scrambling on defense. It'll be a tough few minutes.
Let's see what happens. Murphy dumps the puck in. Pittsburgh grabbed it, strike. Daly gets in the way. Backhand. Hornqvist hits the post. Murphy. Slevin knocks the puck loose. Teravainen. In over the line. Hornqvist brings it out. Moved ahead. Wrist shot. Leg saved by Ward.
The goalie stoned him on that one.
Crosby jumps on the loose puck. Kessel rips one. Carolina got it.
Save!
Kessel returns it. Crosby gets checked. Shoots the puck. Ward stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Ward freezes the puck. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Penguins. Daly gets the loose puck. With a wrist shot blocked. Murphy takes control of the puck. McGean has served his penalty, and that puts his team back at even strength. The Hurricanes dump the puck in. Daly has it now. Mark strike. Rast took it. Evgeny Malkin takes control over the blue line. Working along the perimeter, Skinner shoves him. Ward gets the blocker on it.
Now that's how to concentrate on the puck and keep it out of the net.
Last minute of play in the second period.
Murray hangs on for the whistle. The puck is about to be dropped. Dahlbeck jumps on the loose puck. Stempniak, wrist shot. Pittsburgh takes over. Sidney Crosby.
And that's the end of the second period. 2 down, 1 to go.
Coverage and interviews on your AM dial.
It's time for the third period.
Jim, at this point, confidence is a huge factor.
Played across, passed across, out over the blue line. Nestrashil scoops up the loose puck. Sheary. Kessel corrals it. Sheary now with it. Pittsburgh has it. Crosby gets the backhand shot off. He scores!
As that shot proves, a backhander is dangerous from anywhere.
It's purely a guessing game for the goalie, and he guessed wrong there. Malkin gets hold of the puck.
By number 87.
Pittsburgh grabbed it. Stempniak. Carolina scoops it up. Kunitz shoves Dahlbeck.
81, Phil Kessel.
Over the line. Rask. Carolina needs to be making a line change soon. Strike jumps on the loose puck. Carolina touches up for icing. Sheary got it. Pittsburgh got it. Aho gets the shot off. Letang stops the shot. Jordan Stahl finds the loose puck. Brings it in. Kessel gets laid out. Bolt grabs the puck. Quick shot. Ward gets a leg on it.
He uses the pads and makes the save.
Mata. Jordan Stahl pushes Sidney Crosby. And it's icing against Carolina. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Daly jumps on the loose puck. Strike. Shoots quickly. Stempniak grabbed it. Stempniak marks strike. Finds it. Brings it out. Into the attacking zone. Hornqvist gets pushed. Pittsburgh puts its third line out. Working along the perimeter, Stempniak gets shoved. Rast. In over the line. He gets pushed. Murphy takes possession of the puck. McGean, he gets shoved.
Couldn't get out of the way that time.
He jumps on the loose puck. Murphy cranks one. Murray, great save.
He gets the pad in the way and makes the stop.
Murphy scoops up the loose puck. Cullen. Daly in control now. Over the line. Kessel. Sheary has his pocket pick. Kessel jumps on the loose puck. Jordan Stahl.
Line 4!
He dumps it in on the end boards. Pittsburgh scooped it up. Gensel. Kessel grabbed it. Pittsburgh wins the race and beats out the icing call. Murray has had a good game so far.
He hasn't faced a ton of shots, but he's definitely taking care of business.
DiPrusetti gets checked. Murray stabbed at it.
Line 3!
Nestrashil takes possession of the puck. Bonino. Pittsburgh scooped it up. Nordstrom shoves Mata. Rast with a wrist shot. Ward denied him. Rast scoops up the loose puck. Out over the blue line. Advances the puck. Kunitz finds the loose puck.
Line 1!
Strike gets pushed.
How about the hitting out there, Jim?
Kessel grabs the puck. He dumps it in. Carolina with it now. Kessel nails Pesci. Passed ahead. Carolina puts its checking line out.
In the third period.
DiPrusetti takes possession of the puck. Kessel pushes Skinner. Hannigan wrist shot. Murray turned the shot away.
When you combine superior anticipation with reactions like that, you'll make the save 9 out of 10 times.
Letang gets checked. DiPrusetti takes control of the puck. Rocked.
Some definite contact there.
Nordstrom jumps on the loose puck. He has his pocket picked. Moved ahead. Quick pass up with a wrist shot. Ward made the save. Crosby. Nestrashil takes possession of the puck. Kessel runs over Nordstrom. Passed ahead. Passed across. Falk grabs the puck. Giuseppe shoots it quickly. Put it in the books. Carolina was not able to win this time.
It looked like they were just going through the motions in this contest.
I'd say that their lack of physical play directly resulted in the loss tonight.
Tonight's third star, Pittsburgh number 81, Phil Kessel. Tonight's second star for Pittsburgh, number 30, Marty Murray.
From Raleigh, North Carolina, we've witnessed another fine matchup.
I'm Craig Simpson with Jim Houston, and this has been a presentation of EA Sports.
We'll see you next time.